right. Did we stall there for a second? Watch out for the right turner. Okay, good. Nobody's there. Look forward. Going through the intersection still. No. Okay, high risk, and there it is. For who? For what? Don't know. So very, very, very high risk doing a wheelie. So just like we just talked about when it comes to the track, test your abilities out in a safe environment as possible. So take this to a parking lot, have some fun, do it there. But the thing is, you don't know what the road is here. You don't know what. There's just so much involved. Now, here's the thing: I'm not a stunt rider, so I don't understand. Maybe this is what people live to do. They practice in a parking lot to do this out here. More than likely, that's the case. But it kind of goes back to the whole concept of I'm going to haul ass and race at a track just so I can be better out on the street. You know what I mean? So I have a feeling that that's not what we should be thinking about. Okay, we should not be thinking about that. So we're going to go ahead and do a power wheelie or whatever it is and go a little bit too far. Now, here's the thing. Wear full gear if you are going to do that. You might not think, well, it's just skin. Well, if you have an impact and you break a bone, that's easily 8 to 12 weeks, maybe 6 months, depending on how bad of a break it is, that you're going to have to recover. You have to go through rehab. Now, if you have a job that requires that hand and that arm or whatever it is, was this worth it? So that's kind of what I play into a lot of these things. I don't like hearing from people like, oh, it was a simple crash. And then it's like, oh man, what I didn't realize is that I'm going to lose my job. Since I lost my job, I lost income. I'm going to lose my apartment. I'm going to lose my house. Now my significant other has to wipe my butt for me and take care of me. Now they have to take dangerous because of these things. There's so many risks involved. How do you mitigate the risks? More and more training. And then don't ride to your max ability. Ride sub-maximally. Just keep riding, keep building up your skill so that your 100%, your 80% is super high and it's not a big deal. But this right here, I have a feeling that, there's could have been multiple factors, multiple things. Maybe this was like this is all he knows how to do. He doesn't know how to handle any kind of problems, and then a problem happened, and we dumped the bike. Thank you for reaching the end of the video. I want to say thank you to RevZilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on RevZilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.